Welcome back to my channel Education Hub. Point 48.
This is a playground. This is a playground. I can slide down very fast. I can slide down very fast. Slide. Slide. I swing higher and touch the sky. I swing higher and touch the sky. Swing. Swing. I build a castle in the sandbox. I build a castle in the sandbox. 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 I go up and down on the seesaw. I go up and down on the seesaw. 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 I challenge myself to cross the monkey bars without falling. I challenge myself to cross the monkey bars without falling. Monkey bars. Monkey bars. I play hopscotch with my friends. I play hopscotch with my friends. Hopscotch. Hopscotch. I can jump so high on the trampoline. I can jump so high on the trampoline. 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 I climb the dome climber to see how high I can get. I climb the dome climber to see how high I can get. Dome climber. Dome climber. The merry-go-round makes me dizzy. The merry-go-round makes me dizzy. Merry-go-round. Merry-go-round. The climbing wall is challenging but exciting. The climbing wall is challenging but exciting. Climbing wall. Climbing wall. Let's hang on the rope ladder like spiders. Let's hang on the rope ladder like spiders. Rope ladder. Rope ladder. I whoosh down the water slide. I whoosh down the water slide. Water slide. Water slide. I love playing basketball on the court. I love playing basketball on the court. Basketball. Basketball. I skateboard down the path. I skateboard down the path. Skateboard. Skateboard. I like to make wishes at the fountain. I like to make wishes at the fountain. 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 Spinning on the tire swing is thrilling. Spinning on the tire swing is thrilling. Tire swing. Tire swing. The jungle gym is my adventure playground. The jungle gym is my adventure playground. Jungle gym. Jungle gym. I kick the ball on the soccer field. I kick the ball on the soccer field. Soccer field. Soccer field. I walk on the balance beam like an acrobat. I walk on the balance beam like an acrobat. Balance beam. Balance beam. I play with hula hoops. I play with hula hoops. Hula hoops. Hula hoops. I drive the bumper cars. I drive the bumper cars. Bumper cars. Bumper cars. I ride the carousel horse. I ride the carousel horse. Carousel horse. Carousel horse. I jump rope as fast as I can. I jump rope as fast as I can. Jump rope. Jump rope. I wear a helmet for safety. I wear a helmet for safety. Helmet. Helmet. I play tag with my classmates. I play tag with my classmates. Playing tag. Playing tag. I ride my bicycle around the park. I ride my bicycle around the park. Bicycle. Bicycle. I ride my scooter on the sidewalk. I ride my scooter on the sidewalk. Scooter. Scooter. I eat lunch at the picnic table. I eat lunch at the picnic table. Picnic table. Picnic table. I hide behind the tree during hide and seek. I hide behind the tree during hide and seek. Hide and seek. Hide and seek. I glide down the zip line. I glide down the zip line. Zip line. Zip line. I bounce on the spring horse. I bounce on the spring horse. Spring horse. Spring horse. I swing from the rainbow bars like a monkey. I swing from the rainbow bars like a monkey. Rainbow bars. Rainbow bars. I dive into the ball pit to find the hidden treasures. I dive into the ball pit to find the hidden treasures. Pulpit. Pulpit.
Thanks for watching Education Hub. Point 48. Subscribe for more videos.